Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the red line on timeline on Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Premiere Pro, and as you can see, I have a red line right here on my timeline, as you can see right here. So this would mean that this frames of my work right here is not rendered properly by Premiere Pro, and it might be a little choppy when you are playing it back, or it would not be playable at all. So to fix this, all you have to do is press enter on your keyboard, and this would render every red lines that you have on your timeline right here, everything. So you would have all your unrendered frames in your timeline to be rendered automatically by Premiere Pro, but it would take a long time because it would render all our red lines right here. So if you have a lot of red lines in your timeline, it would take a long time right there. And then the next thing is that once it's done, right here, as you can see, it is now turned green, and you can now play it back smoothly. And when you export it, you won't have to wait a long time because it has been rendered already or pre-rendered right here. And now the next thing is that if you want to render only this red line right here. So for example, you have a lot of red line in your timeline, but in this case, you only want to render this part of the red line. So you can just press I in your keyboard, and you would have this inner marker, and then you want to go to the end of that red line, and then you want to press O, or the outer marker, and now you would have these markers right here. And then from here you can go into sequence and go for render into out, and then this would only render this part of your sequence right here. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.